Hi guys, and welcome to Creative Cakes by Sharon. Today I made a spin-off of those popular cookie letter cakes, but I actually used a real cake instead of a cookie. It was incredibly simple and quick to make and looks pretty impressive, so let's get started. It's a good idea to use a really moist cake for this project, and I used my super moist chocolate cake recipe. I already had a rectangular tin, so I just hired a 0 tin from my local cake shop to make the number 10. So once I had cut the cakes in half, I decided to cover the inside surface with a thin layer of chocolate ganache to provide a seal and also to keep the moisture in the cake. If your cake isn't too moist, you might like to also add some simple syrup, as there's nothing worse than a dry cake. I then started to pipe some whipped white chocolate ganache all along the 1 and around the 0. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for tuning in. I make all sorts of creative cakes each week and I'd love for you to join me, so make sure you subscribe so you're the first to see my new videos as I release them. To fill the centre, I added some piped chocolate ganache this time. This cake is definitely for those chocolate lovers out there. While it's got plenty of chocolatey elements, because the ganache has been whipped, it actually keeps the cake nice and light in texture as well as taste. Here I wanted to add a little something special, so I added some homemade caramel sauce, because who doesn't love that? Then I carefully put into place the top half of each cake and gave it a little press to make sure they were stuck down nicely. Once again, I covered the exposed part of the cake with some ganache to prevent the air drying it out. And being the top of the cake, this also helped to act as a glue to keep all the elements I was about to stick down in place. Now for the fun part. I pretty much added as many chocolates and meringues as I liked, and I also added a few spots of piped ganache to add height and also help glue things into place. And finally, I couldn't resist adding another drizzle of my caramel sauce to add to all of this decadence. This is definitely a cake to impress, guys, with fairly little effort or skill. You can change it up and use different cakes such as vanilla or red velvet and coordinate with flowers or macarons, or really whatever you like. It's still going to look great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do give it a go, I'd love to see your finished cakes. It would be awesome to see lots of different versions of this being created. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can join along with me as I make all different creations each week. I hope you tune in next time, and thanks for watching.